What up, folks? It's your man Jay. Today, we're gonna talk about this gas mileage. Like, what's it like to own a 392? Cold start. Man, yo, if ever anybody tells you that the 392 stock exhaust doesn't sound good, just slap them. Yo, it's your man Jay, man. The gas mileage. The gas mileage I get on this car is a mixed bag. Now, I don't drive the car every day, so pretty much my gas mileage gets worse. The readings get worse because I'll start it up sometimes, drive around the block and put it back in the garage, just keep the fluids running, you know, cycling through the system. But overall, this is probably a 2-day-a-week car for me, which means I don't spend as much money on gas as some might. But my gas mileage around town when I drive it is between 15 and 17, pretty much. Like right now, you might see 13 up there. Well, that's because I've been starting the car, taking shorter trips, and I have just not really been taking it on a longer trip. But when I take this car up on the highway, and it's in eco mode, driving modes here. When it's right here, and I'm driving on the highway, I get easily 20 to 25 easy. Just cruising, staying off of it, not slamming it down, not doing too much crazy stuff. I get a lot better gas. But around town, I drive like this, and then I turn on traction control. This is pretty much how I drive the car. I have my pedal commander pretty much turned off because around town, I don't want all the spin and stuff at the lower speeds. But gas mileage on a 392 is way better. It's pretty much the same as a 5.7. If you look up both cars together, you're gonna see that the 5.7 compared to the 6.4 is like 1 mile per gallon difference. You know what I'm saying? So this is why I tell people getting a 392 is the best option you should do. I hear a lot of stuff like the maintenance is worse on a 392. I don't think so. I own a 5.7 for years, and you know the maintenance, I didn't see any difference in, you know, people might be thinking about the Brimbros, but you don't have to keep Brimbros on your car. That's just what they come with. So if you want to change them out, which is what a lot of people do to save money, you know, they change them out. You don't have to do that, you know what I'm saying? But the gas mileage on this thing is actually really, really good, man. I mean, I get great gas mileage, especially on the highway. I've gotten up to 400 or between 400 and 500 on a tank with these 392s, easy, like really easy. So it's just a matter of how you control that throttle. If you get on the car and you keep banging it out, doing burnouts and all this stuff, and you're gonna be seeing, you can look in some people's videos, you'll see like 9 and 8 miles to the gallon, and they're spending a lot of money on gas. So for me, since this isn't a daily driver, it may seem like that 13.4 is bad, but that's just because I've taken 10-minute trips here. Like this video right here, I'm only gonna ride for maybe 10 minutes. Really, I'm just going to check my box, get my mail, and stuff like that. Then I'm coming back to the crib and put it away. But gas mileage on any car determines on you, not just the 392s, the V6s. Like the FA Green Charger, that car gets about maybe 16 to 18 in town. And you would think that it would get more. The 300 though, it gets better gas mileage. That thing gets between 20, a little over 20 in town because, you know, the trips are longer that I take. You know, I don't gas it a lot. You know, I drive it like a civil person. But my wife drives the Green Charger, like she's in it all the time, man. So she's not getting the best gas mileage when she drives that car. But a car like this, I didn't get it thinking about saving gas, to be honest, because I've owned 392s before. And I've owned SRT8s, the older version of 6.1. So I didn't get them thinking about saving gas. I got it thinking about having fun. And if I put it in eco mode, you know, I get good gas mileage, I get good gas mileage. If I don't, I don't. But if you do, in fact, daily drive this, depending on how long your commute is, you can get better gas mileage than a V6. You just have to keep it in eco mode and stay out of that throttle. But just know that if you do end up slamming that throttle down a lot, you're gonna get some poor gas mileage, man, poor. But I've learned that this is the most comfortable way for me to drive around town. The car is tighter. Everything is just feels tight, you know, and then now that it's lowered down on the eibach Pro Kit, it feels even better. You know, it feels real stiff. I can obviously adjust the setup here and put it to the way I want. I can go to custom mode. This is how I have the custom mode, but you can change it to what you want. I can change the transmission to track. I can change the steering to track. I can have it all different kind of ways. Like I can do this right here, and then this will be my new custom setup. You know what I'm saying? So it's just a matter of how you stay on or off the throttle. You could do it like that. I like the steering, so I can have my steering tight. You see, and it adjusts everything there. But I found that for me, track mode feels the best. That's just how it is. I'm gonna test out a new setup here. I'm gonna test out sport. Now, obviously, traction control goes off, but I'm gonna switch it back on. Down here, Citrus Street. See, up here when I did that, it went through the different modes. It goes to sport mode, then you can go to track by just doing so. But I'm gonna do it like this for now. So I got sport transmission, street traction, and steering is track. The steering is important to me. So, but gas mileage, folks, man, it's not like what you think. You won't get really poor gas mileage if you just handle that throttle right, man. It's your man Jay, quick vlog. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.